To log out of Notion, there are several methods, depending on the version you are using. Logging out of your account may be necessary for various reasons, such as sharing a device or using public Wi-Fi. For the web version, start by opening Notion in your browser. Click on your account name, located in the top left corner of the screen, and select the Logout option from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can click on Settings and then Members, followed by My Account, and scroll down to click on Log Out of All Devices, which will log you out of all devices connected to your account, including your PC and phone. For the app version, open the app on your mobile device. Select your profile at the top of the screen, and click Log Out of All from the pop-up option, which will log you out of all accounts at once. Regardless of the method, logging out of Notion is a straightforward process.